हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू कलेक्शन स्टडी यूट्यूब चैनल। आज के इस एजुकेशन वीडियो में मैं आपको डीएवी क्लास 7 इंग्लिश लिटरेचर के चैप्टर नंबर 9 द ह्यूमन रोबोट का सॉल्यूशन देने वाली हूँ। तो चलिए स्टूडेंट्स शुरू करते हैं। अंडरस्टैंडिंग द स्टोरी, टिक द करेक्ट आंसर्स फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन बिलो। फ्रॉम वेयर डिड प्रेम चोपड़ा गेट द मनी फॉर बाइंग राम सिंह फ्रॉम ए लूट? Who was the range within which Ram Singh's movement could be controlled through a remote control? Half a kilometer. What was the first command given to Ram Singh? Buying groceries. What was the first thing that Ram Singh stole? Gold necklace. Who was the first person to notice Ram Singh stealing? A fruit vendor. Where was Prem Chopra arrested? At home. Next देखते हैं। Answer the following questions in not more than 30 words. Why did Prem Chopra go to Super Robots Plaza? Prem Chopra went to Super Robots Plaza to purchase a robot. Who would be his accomplice, as he thought it was the most adequate investment of his latest loot? Next question है, what all could Ram Singh do? Ram Singh could do household cleaning, arranging things, collecting groceries from the supermarket, tending the lawns, mailing letters, relating your favorite programs on the TV, and selecting news of your interest from the paper. Next question है, what were the three inbuilt principles in Ram Singh's system? The three inbuilt principles in Ram Singh's systems were: it would obey his master, it will not harm humans, it will not take harm to self. Next question है, why was Prem Chopra interested only in the first principle? Prem Chopra was interested only in the first principle because he thought if his robot could shop for groceries, then certainly it could shop for better things like jewelers. Fifth question है, why was Ram Singh arrested? Why was he summoned to the court? Ram Singh was arrested for lifting precious gems for Jewelry Brothers because the shopkeepers whose valuables had been looted recalled the presence of a metallic robot in their shops on the days of robberies. He was summoned to court because the consul Goyal wanted him to appear as a witness in the robbery case to recall his activities during last 6 months and name the person whose instruction he carried out. Next question है question number 6. What happened to Ram Singh in the court? Why? Ram Singh's reporting mechanism suddenly stopped. Strange, whirring, cheeking, breaking sounds emanated from the robot. The dim blue light changed to indigo, which intensified. A bright light flashed on Ram Singh's forehead, signaling danger. Reporting system failed. The TV screen flashed. System disintegrated. Ram Singh had refused. He was dead. He died because the instructions built in his mechanism were in conflict to disobey his master or to harm others. He chose to die rather than telling a lie, hurting human beings or becoming unfaithful. From the story, pick out at least 4 extracts which show that Prem Chopra wanted to buy Ram Singh primarily for stealing goods from the shops. Now he would be able to buy an accomplice. Straightening his necktie, he regained his confidence. You mean sitting at home I can command the robot in the city market? He was delighted with the robot's agility and deftness. Given below are a few adjectives. Decide which of these describe Ram Singh and which ones describe Prem Chopra. Also give the reasons for your choice. Adjective: obedient, Ram Singh. Even when threatened in the court, he did not reveal his master's identity. Greedy, Prem Chopra. He used a robot and risked its life to satisfy his own greed of wealth. Hopeless, Ram Singh. He had no option left either to be unfaithful to his master or harm the human beings. So he sacrificed himself for his principles. Cunning, Prem Chopra. In the robot Ram Singh 070 memory tape, there were pauses after each instruction which did not disclose the instructor's identity. So Prem Chopra was cunning enough to hide his identity as the instructor of robot and given it strict orders not to reveal any information. Principal, Ram Singh. He sacrificed his life for his principles. Next है Hearts. Prem Chopra pleaded guilty at the end of the chapter. Why do you think he did so? At the end of the chapter, maybe Prem Chopra realized that if a machine can destroy itself rather than telling a lie or being harmful, then why not a human being? He decided to accept his crime. Next है life skills. We all know that tough technology can be very beneficial for us. Misusing it can have disastrous consequences. Prepare a speech to be delivered in the morning assembly on how technology can be used for the benefit of mankind. Good morning friends and my dear teachers. Today I am here to deliver a speech on the above mentioned topic. Technology can be a boon or a ban. It depends on what use we put it to. Let us take the examples of nuclear energy first. If put to good use, it can fulfill electricity demand of all Indians, every perfect village and city. The same nuclear energy in the form of a bomb can also destroy the whole world in a second. So it all depends on how can uses it. There are numerous examples. Washing machines, pressure cookers, vacuum cleaners have made our life worth living and they are all boons of technology. We cannot even dream of a day in our life without the use of smartphone. But the same boons turn into a ban as we start misusing them. So dear friends, make technology your friend and use it for making this earth a beautiful place to live on. Next है values. Robot Ram Singh is more human than Prem Chopra. Discuss. Yes, it's true. Robot Ram Singh is more human. He couldn't go against the instruction of his master. The lawyer kept on prodding him to reveal the information, but he could not do so. He couldn't even harm anyone because these was fed into him. So in dilemma, he chose to destroy himself. Prem Chopra ultimately pleaded guilty in the end. Next है writing skills. Imagine yourself to be the judge of Prem Chopra Ram Singh case. Prepare a verdict in about 80 words to be pronounced in the court. Prem Chopra versus Ram Singh case, 30 March 2020. The court declared man accused Prem Chopra to imprisonment for 7 years for committing crime because he was the mastermind behind the theft and robberies. He was also levied a penalty of 1 lakh rupees to be paid in case to the victim's family looted by him. The court condemned his deeds and punished him. स्टूडेंट्स, इसी के साथ हम लोगों का सॉल्यूशन वीडियो कंप्लीट हो गया। यदि आपको वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो वीडियो को लाइक कर दीजिए और यदि आप मेरे चैनल पे नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करके बेल आइकन को प्रेस करके ऑल पे प्रेस कर लीजिए, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए एजुकेशनल वीडियोस लाती रहती हूँ। स्टूडेंट्स, यदि आप किसी और चैप्टर का एक्सप्लेनेशन या सॉल्यूशन वीडियो चाहते हैं तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कर दीजिए और वीडियो कैसा लगा कमेंट करके जरूर बताइएगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।